Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade marshmallows, step by step. First, let's get organized. Prepare your baking dish by greasing it well and lining it with parchment paper or plastic wrap. This prevents sticking. Next, in your stand mixer bowl, sprinkle 3 packets of unflavored gelatin over 1/2 cup of cold water. Let this mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the gelatin to bloom and soften. This initial preparation is key for perfect results. Now, let's create the sweet foundation for our marshmallows, the sugar syrup. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Continue to boil the syrup without stirring until it reaches precisely 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This temperature is crucial for achieving the perfect softball stage. This next step is where the magic happens. With your stand mixer running on low speed, carefully and slowly pour the hot sugar syrup into the bloomed gelatin mixture. Once all the syrup is added, increase the mixer speed to high. Beat the mixture for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll see it transform into a very thick, fluffy, and glossy marshmallow cream. Finally, beat in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract until just combined. Then quickly transfer the sticky mixture to your prepared pan. Almost there. Use a greased spatula to gently smooth the marshmallow mixture evenly into your prepared pan. Now comes the waiting game. Allow the marshmallow to set undisturbed at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Once firm, dust a clean cutting board generously with a mixture of confectioner's sugar and cornstarch. Invert the marshmallow onto the board, cut it into squares, and then toss each piece in the sugar mixture to prevent sticking. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.